We choose Bombardier to service the aircraft. Obviously, they're the OEM, and I always believe in having the OEM service the airplane. It's only been getting better in all the facilities because I've been in the US, in Asia, in Europe. I started with Bombardier products back in 2005. I've noticed over these last 4 years a rapid and massive improvement in the techs and the amount of facility available for maintenance too, and which is always important. And I feel that in each facility we've been to, you feel it. You can tell the difference. From my perspective, I think Bombardier's Smart Parts Elite is the best way to maintain the airplane and control costs and protect you from a lot of unexpected and unwanted shipping expenses even. With CRC and SmartLink Plus, the two combined together, all their pool of knowledge, the database. These guys have got over 100 7500s that have been flying around and they've been troubleshooting all these years. So a lot of times, a phone call to them, 5 minutes later, it's solved. A real good experience, my first experience with the Berlin facility. We had a seal on our engine that needed to be replaced, and we popped in there. The most professional guys I'd ever known. I would say top-notch technicians. The owner gets peace of mind from all the services. He's watched us in action, using those tools on the aircraft in flight with actual events. So he's very much aware of the benefits of all the programs and offerings and what it does for us to keep the aircraft flying.